Hi everyone, this is Chris Roshnot24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at and unboxing the Tenavolts AA and AAA rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. These were announced at CES 2020 and we're very excited to show them to you today. They're very light, they're about 18 grams, so this is the AA model. This one comes with 2,775 milliwatt hours of power. Usually batteries can be recharged 500 times. This says 1,000 times. So they're very light at 18 grams. It takes about 1.8 hours to recharge the battery. This kit comes with the recharger and a micro USB cable. So you can pause this video anytime to take a look at the details. For things that still need batteries, like game controllers, digital cameras, wireless mice, remote controls, I find that wireless mice, even though they last months, they still chew through batteries pretty quickly. So this is a nice addition. 1,000 cycles. I talked to one of the people that built these batteries and he said it was very difficult to get a constant 1.5 volts, which is right here on the box, out of lithium-ion batteries, but they were finally able to do it, and this is the result of years worth of work and so much research that went into making AAA and AA rechargeable batteries. We know that the nickel metal hydride batteries don't last that long, but now you have an option in lithium-ion. This is Chris Roshnot24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up.